Welcome to the Social Rugrats Playsit tutorial. One of the great features of Social Rugrats is the feature Playsit. When you logged in, click on the play button found anywhere on the site, and it will take you to the Play Planner. There you find this option called Playsit. It is great for childcare sharing. So what happens is you can add your address into the system. If you haven't done so, go ahead and click on there. Type in your address. Click on Save. And now you have the option to give it a Playsit name. Fun at my house. Pick a date. And then a time when you want to start the Playsit. And we're going to do this over the lunch hours. And then just say what you're offering. Okay, and then you can also specify the age and gender if you want to be that specific with your Playsit. Select who's going to be going, and then you can invite others. You can also upload an image for the theme, or we can pick a theme that we've already pre-prepared for you. And there is several options available: play, holiday, party, parents, seasons, and birthday. We're going to go with the seasons, and let's go ahead and pick this one. And it pre-fills it right here. If you want to make a change and you decide you want to use an image after all, just hit the X and then click on Upload Photo. Browse to the photo you would like to upload. Double click on the photo. And then you can make a selection or turn the photo and hit Save. Now you can add it to your playlist, or you invite friends and groups. Since you are offering to Playsit, you definitely would want to invite somebody. Click on the people that you would like to invite. Also, the option guests can invite friends, so anybody that decides that they want to go to your Playsit are able to invite others. You can also invite groups just by clicking on the Groups tab. Select the group you would like to invite, or by email. Add the email addresses separated and click Add, and then hit Save and Send Invites. The system will take you to your Playsit and it'll let you manage it from here. It shows you who's attending and it shows you who is actually going to it. Now it's the same thing as on a play date. It has a discussion section where you can write comments, comment on other people's comments, and upload photos. And it also has a photo section where all the photos are collected. It's a great place to upload photos from the actual event. If you need to cancel a Playsit, just click on Manage, and you have the cancel option on the left bottom corner. Or you can make updates at this point and click the update. To cancel out of this, just click the X button. That concludes the Playsit tutorial. Thank you for watching.